my name's Charlotte and I'm here to speak to you about graphic design. There's two main years to the graphic design A-level. I actually teach on the first year, and in the first year it's really just about playing. We try lots of different methods, so we do some Illustrator, which involves the computers as well as Photoshop. We also do what I call kind of wet work, so we do things with wire, we do things with sculpture, we also do things with the printmaking, so screen printing, lino printing, basically you name it, we do it. We try lots of different ways. We explore as well lots of different areas of graphic design, so we might look at packaging, we do bookbinding as well, so looking at sequencing and editing, also of course typography, which is very popular. So the first year is really about kind of getting a good foundation into the different methods and things available to you. Also getting used to the assessment criteria, so really by the second year you're already working at a nice high level. In the second year, which is taken by my colleague Emma Hardy, you get to choose your own project. Within reason, but really we do like you to be as adventurous as possible. And that's quite a long project. It's about half of the year, so a good 6 months, maybe even longer. You choose it for yourself and you write an essay with that as well. And again, what we tend to do is to give you workshops that are a bit more specialist. So if in the first year we're kind of playing, the second year is when you really start to refine and produce excellent, like really strong work into a final piece. The second part of the second year is the exam. You'll get an option, just like you would have done at GCSE, of about 10 or 12 different questions. You choose one, you follow it as a project, and then that ends in a timed assessment where you produce your final piece. So you will need a sketchbook. You'll also need the basic kind of pen set, scissors, glue, pencils, and then really it's whatever you get interested in. So if you find that you use a lot of photography in your work, then you know a camera would definitely help you. And if you find you use quite a lot of digital, it might be good if there is a computer at home that you can also do things in as well. We're really lucky to be on the 4th floor, which means we actually get to share the facilities with the rest of the art department. So you have kind of the coziness of A-level, but with actually the workshop access of the bigger art department. So there's a screen printing room, which is amazing, and our technicians are really experienced. So looking at screen printing, photo etching, lino cutting. We have a good supply of kind of paints and things too. It's super easy to get here. We're right by the train station, literally less than a minute from the train station. Also the bus stops and town. I find Hastings is quite easy to kind of, if you live in Hastings, it'll be really quick too. It's probably like 20 minutes from most places. Okay, I would say come here rather than some of the other colleges in the area, because we will try and teach you like an adult. Also, we're very experienced, we're practitioners. You know, I still focus very much on graphic design in my own work. I'm also a moderator for the exam board, which means I get to go and nosy in other schools and colleges across the country and get lots of exciting ideas for workshops and things that we can use here. A very typical progression route for the A-level arts is to do the Art Foundation, which is a course that the college do, but also other colleges and universities will offer it. What we do find is that students that do the Art Foundation get into better universities. There's no ignoring it that the A-level does have quite a lot of hoop jumping and assessment criteria, whereas the foundation can be this kind of open time to kind of explore at a higher level what you're interested in and really develop a portfolio that will get you into some of the better universities. Having said that, we have had a lot of students go straight into the university that they've chosen, so that is another option for you.